guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. We're here in Nashville, Tennessee. We're here for a long weekend and we just checked into our gorgeous Airbnb located in the Gulch. Let me do a really quick room tour. So right here we have our living room. Very nice and clean looking. We have this awesome view outside here. And I think the Gulch is like down that way. Look at this kitchen. I love how modern this kitchen looks. I absolutely love this wood and these like matte black fixtures. I love a matte black faucet. We got the Keurig. We have this area where you come in. We have the bathroom and we have Nick. And we have very nice bathroom and we of course have our bedroom here. So this is so nice. But yeah, I'll explain more about why we're here as the vlog goes on. Right now, I think we're gonna get settled in a little bit and then head out to Broadway because it's only about 9:30 and we definitely want to make the most out of our short trip here. There's an F45 down there. If you know, you know. I love F45 and it's right across the street from us. That's so crazy. Oh. Nick's just like, oh my God, stop being obsessed.
Can't stop, I can't hold still. Only thing I know, she's got
So we're back from the bars. We went to Lainey Wilson's. It was so much fun. We started out at Casa Rosa, Miranda Lambert's, and the band quit like 3 songs after we were there. So we went to Tin Roof, and Tin Roof was like not the vibe. There were all these people vaping and we're just like, whoa, this is not our scene. So then we wandered over to Lainey Wilson's and it was a really cute bar. It was kind of like low key on the first floor. Then we went down to the dueling pianos and it was so fun. There was like another group of people kind of around our age that were just like partying and having a lot of fun. So we ended up hanging out there. And now it's 1 in the morning and we're gonna head to sleep because we have a pretty busy day tomorrow. We don't have any brunch reservations, but I think we're gonna head out to East Nashville and do some exploring over there. Good morning, Nashville. It looks like a nice sunny day here. Let's see if we can make a little Keurig coffee. We got this donut blend to try out. I got my pod right here.
Oh, you've got it.
And then I want a big cup, right? Or it won't fit. This cup?
Yeah, I'd do that one.
Okay. I only know how to use an espresso, people. And I know you definitely couldn't see it in my last night's clip, but this is the F45 I was talking about. It's literally in this apartment complex across the street, which is really cool. My outfit for exploring East Nashville. I'm wearing this green tank top from Express, belt from Target, and then a long denim maxi skirt. Got the skirt from TJ Maxx, and I really love it. But we're headed to East Nashville, which we've never been. I have actually been to Nashville. This is my 4th time coming in 2 years because I came for my 27th birthday with Nick back in 2022. And then in 2023, I came here for my friend Elena's batch. And then earlier this year, I came here for my own batch. And now we're here again. So we obviously really love Nashville. And I might do like a sit down video at some point of like all my top recommendations. But right now we're gonna go explore East Nashville. We're gonna get some tacos at Lady Bird Taco and do a little shopping. I'm really in the market for buying some stuff for like home decor and also clothes. So I definitely wanna do a little damage and I hope I find some like really cute and unique items. It literally looks stunning outside. I feel like it's the perfect weather. It's in the low 70s. So this is my outfit, green tank top from Express. Maxi skirt is from TJ Maxx. I got it for like 20 bucks. Belt is Target, and these boots are Amazon, and I have my Tory Burch bag. up at Lady Bird Taco. It was pretty good. It wasn't like a must-have for me, but it was good. And now we have to take an Uber to get to some other shopping because this restaurant was kind of not really buy anything, but that's okay because we're gonna go to do some shopping over in the Fatherland district and hopefully find some cool home decor at Abode Mercantile.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing.
So we finished up shopping around the Fatherland district. There were some cool stores. We went to this one vintage store that we really liked. I ended up getting a postcard. That's the only thing I got. I was kind of hoping to get some like cute clothes, but I didn't really find anything. I feel like East Nashville is very cool. There's a lot of like very unique stores and unique things to do, but it's very spread out. So if you don't have a rental car, I probably wouldn't recommend coming here because we had to Uber from the Lady Bird Taco to here. And now we decided to Uber back to the Gulch to kind of find something else to do. We might walk around the Gulch, maybe do a little shopping there, maybe get some drinks at LA Jackson, and just kind of hang out there. And that's our plan for the rest of this afternoon.
My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm
back from our fun afternoon out, and this is my outfit of the night. I'm really hoping I won't be cold, but I'm going for like a denim and rhinestones moment. We have dinner reservations at 12:30 Club. We've never been there before, but I heard the brunch is good, so I made us reservations at the Honky Tonk for dinner, so we'll see. It's a little bit earlier until our dinner, but I think we might just go over to Broadway and kind of like walk around, maybe grab a drink or something. But we went to LA Jackson, which was so awesome. I definitely recommend going there. That was my first time and I really liked it. It was very vibey and the views were really nice. This water is disgusting, and if you say you like it, I do not trust you. So this is my Saturday outfit for exploring 12 South. I'm wearing this black tank top from Amazon, leopard skirt also from Amazon. Steve Madden's, let's go.
Midnight's getting closer and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
We had brunch at Mockingbird and it was simply divine. I had these everything bagel bites with scallion cream cheese. They were so good. The bread was so insanely fresh. The vibe was so cute. I also had a brunch cocktail. I had bubbles in a bag and it was like this sparkling wine and this like lemon blueberry punch. It was incredible, 10 out of 10. You guys have to go to the Mockingbird in Nashville. It's in the Gulch and it's amazing.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of
We stopped our afternoon shopping with some coffee at White Bison. I got an iced pumpkin spice latte. It's actually really good. It's very cinnamony.
stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are?
We're back at the Thompson Hotel going to LA Jackson because it was such a vibe yesterday and everywhere in 12 South was super crowded. So we just just finished up at LA Jackson, a rooftop bar in the Gulch, and we saw Post Malone. It was absolutely crazy. We didn't get a picture. I'm not like a super Post Malone fan, so I didn't feel like, I don't know, asking for a picture, but it was cool that we saw him. That's like the first celebrity I've ever seen out in the wild. We are back at our Airbnb. We took a little break here from being out and about and freshened up a bit for dinner. We're going to St. Anejo in the Gulch for some Mexican food, and then we're gonna hit up Broadway. We really liked Morgan Wallen's bar. It was so fun, so I think we're gonna go there for sure. And then just kind of see where the night takes us. I don't want to stay out like too late because we do have to leave tomorrow and check out and everything, but it's been a great trip to Nashville, and I can't believe it's already our last night here. I love this apartment complex so much. I wish I lived here. If you live here, you're really lucky. We finished up our dinner at St. Anejo, and now we are walking to Broadway. It's about a 15-minute walk, but we can do it. We need to burn off that food. We got this. Happy Sunday morning. It's our last day here. I'm wearing this white lacy dress from Altered State with my cowgirl boots, of course. It's supposed to be really hot today, like high of 88. So I wore the most summery outfit that I packed today. We scheduled an Uber and we're gonna go drop off our bags at Stowe Station. They store bags if you pay a fee. And then we're headed to the Hampton Social for a brunch.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right.
We just finished up brunch at Hampton Social. It's so good. It does not disappoint every single time. There are so many people down here for the game. What is it, Tennessee Titans?
And the Colts.
Yeah, so there are like all these people in these blue jerseys, and I'm wearing this like white super girly dress, but there definitely are still a lot of bachelorettes, but I cannot believe how many people are down here for this game. But we're gonna pop around Broadway a little bit. We have a little less than 2 hours till we need to go to the airport, so we just might hang out at Whiskey River, maybe do a little walking around and see what's happening.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing.